So here we go. We're going to use Copilot to generate an awesome picture of a guy working out in a gym. So follow along. Here we go. Let's go into the Copilot. I got Microsoft Copilot over here. So we're going to start out here. Draw a, let's see here, picture of a college student working out in a gym. We're going to start out with something very, very generic. Now, I haven't said what kind of college students are. I'm starting off very generic. I'm not saying anything about who he is or she, what he looks like, nothing. So we're just going to see what we get. Let's see what we get. Okay. So actually, we're getting a girl lifting a barbell. All right. That's not bad. And the next one, now we're going to get a guy lifting a barbell with a couple plates on it. And then here we're going to get another guy lifting a barbell. It looks like he's standing right behind a bench press with a rack of dumbbells. Okay, so now we're going to make it a little more specific. So look how I'm going to add some detail. Let me get my cursor in here. So I'm going to say we need a little more detail so we can tell Copilot what kind of picture we want exactly. So draw a picture of, so we're going to say here, uh, a white male athletic college student. So we're going to get a little more specific. Now, what's he look like? We're going to say, for example, with long, wavy, uh, brown hair and blue eyes, wearing a tank top. So we're getting very specific here. Who is standing in front of a bench press in a gym. So prompt is getting a little longer now. Let's see if it takes it. It's getting kind of detailed now. So the first one was very generic, and Copilot had to kind of decide: you want a guy, you want a girl, he's in the gym, what is he doing? Now I'm telling it, okay, an athletic male. I'm telling Copilot, I want a guy. What's he look like? He's got long, wavy brown hair, blue eyes. So we're getting really specific now. What do we get? Let's see. Here's our guy in the gym. Okay, so did we get everything that we wanted? Let's go over here and look. A white male athletic college student with long, wavy brown hair, blue eyes, wearing a tank top, standing in front of a bench press in a gym. Yeah, that's about what we want, right? There he is, and he's athletic. You can tell he's got some muscle on him. Here he is. He's got wavy, long brown hair. He's wearing a tank top. That's pretty much what we're looking for. Okay, so now what are we going to tell him that we want him to do? Uh, and we're going to say, is he lifting something? We could do that. Let's have him pose a little bit. Um, we'll have him posing with his muscular arms folded in front of his chest. So we're going to tell Copilot, have him pose with his arms folded in front of his chest. So I'm not going to repeat all of the prompt again in Copilot. I'm just going to tell Copilot, okay, let's tweak the prompt a little bit and show our same gym guy, but let's have him show him in a little bit of a different way. Show him posing with his arms folded in front of his chest. So we want a certain pose. So let's see what we get from Copilot. So we want the same guy with tank top on in a gym. So you're going to have to see some gym equipment in the background. So in this case, we wanted him standing in front of a bench press with long, wavy brown hair and blue eyes, wearing a tank top in a gym. So now let's see what we get. Let's see if we get our gym guy here. Here he is. Okay, let's look at our prompt. See what we get. See what Copilot did for us. A white male athletic college student with long wavy brown hair and blue eyes wearing a tank top, posing with his arms folded in front of his chest, standing in front of a bench press in a gym. Hey, that's just about it, right? That's what we want. Okay, so that's good. This is pretty much the picture that we wanted. So we go on the right arrow. Let's see the other pictures we got. So because Copilot gave us 4 pictures of him, so we got another guy, slightly different face, but he's still got long, wavy brown hair, blue eyes, tank top, athletic. He's muscular in front of a bench press, right? And here we got another one. He's got even longer brown hair. So we'll take that. And we got another one, longer brown hair. Actually, he's a little shorter. Wearing a tank top, muscular, athletic. So we'll take that. Okay. So Copilot is giving us 4 variations of the same guy that we asked for in our prompt. Now, let's say if we wanted to make a change and we tell him, uh, make his hair shorter. I can't spell. Make his hair shorter. Make his hair a little shorter. Okay, we don't want it that long. We still want brown, wavy hair, but not that. Let's see what we get. So far, with one subject in the pictures, Copilot has been pretty much been giving us what we've been asking for. A guy working out in the gym. Here he is. Okay, so here's our modified prompt. A white male athletic college student with short, wavy brown hair and blue eyes wearing a tank top, posing with his arms folded in front of his chest, standing in front of a bench press in a gym. There he is. There's our gym guy. Okay, here's another one. This is like a little bit zoomed out, pretty much the same, but shorter hair, not that long. We'll go for the next one. Same one, just slightly different face. One more. There's different color tank top. We can change the tank top color too. We don't have to go for brown or gray. So we could say here, have him wear a, what shall we do? Blue? Or we can do red tank top. I got it. Type. Have him wear a red tank top. Yeah. So you see, every time we make a slight change to the prompt, Copilot goes ahead and it renders 2, 3, 4 new pictures, and then it it modifies our prompt. And then when we go look at the new pictures, it tells us what the modified prompt is. So here's our new guy in the gym, and then here's the prompt. A white male athletic college student with short, wavy brown hair and blue eyes, posing with his arms folded in front of his chest, wearing a red tank top, standing in front of a bench press in a gym. There he is. These actually came out pretty good. And you can tell he's in a gym. You see all the machines in the background. Okay, there's our muscle guy. Awesome. That's exactly what we were looking for. So we wanted a picture of a guy in the gym posing in front of one of the machines. Awesome. Okay. So let me know what you think. Please like, follow, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about how we came up with the prompt and how we came up with the pictures, then please do so and post your questions and comments in the comments, and I'll try my best to respond to those. And also, if you have any ideas, suggestions, or questions about anything that you want to see me use Copilot to create in a future video, then go ahead and let me know. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.